Welcome to The Explainer. For well over a decade, Google Chrome has been the king of the castle. It's our main window to the internet. But right now, a huge wave of artificial intelligence is changing everything, and it's forcing Chrome to evolve in this really fierce battle for the future of how we see the web.
Okay, so here's what we're going to get into. First, we're going to unlock some really powerful features that you might not even know are already hiding in your Chrome browser. Then, we'll dive into its massive AI upgrade, meet the new kid on the block, an AI native competitor, and compare their totally different ideas for the future. And finally, we'll help you figure out what this big choice really means for you.
Most of us probably see Chrome as just a simple, no-frills tool for getting online. But right under that familiar surface, there is this powerful set of features that a lot of us never even touch.
And hey, that perception is pretty common. As tech reviewer Brett in Tech points out, a lot of people think Chrome is basic. But is it really? Come on, let's open up the toolbox and see what's inside.
First up, tab groups. Now, if you are constantly drowning in a sea of open tabs, this is an absolute lifesaver. You can organize everything by topic in just a few clicks. It's seriously perfect for managing work projects, planning a vacation, or, when you go down one of those research rabbit holes. And it doesn't stop there, not by a long shot. You can pin essential tabs like your email, so they're always waiting for you when you launch Chrome. You can instantly search through all your open tabs to find that one you know is there but just can't see. And you can even send a web page straight from your computer to your phone with just 2 clicks, as long as you're logged in, of course.
And just to show you how deep this toolbox really goes, think about this. Chrome has a built-in live captions feature. It is an incredible accessibility tool that automatically transcribes any audio or video. We're talking podcasts, YouTube clips, even a local video file you drag right into the browser. It's amazing.
So, here's the thing. While Chrome was already pretty powerful, a massive shift in technology has forced it to get a whole lot smarter, and really, really fast. And this is the central question, isn't it? This is what's driving the next chapter of the internet. Google's answer? Well, it's to bake its powerful AI, Gemini, directly into the very core of Chrome, transforming it from a simple window into an intelligent assistant. This right here shows a fundamental shift from just searching for stuff to actually understanding it. Instead of just getting a list of links, Chrome's new AI mode can generate a whole summary for you. It can even look across all your open tabs to pull together information in just a matter of seconds. And this new brain power isn't just stuck inside your computer. It extends into the physical world with Google Lens. You can now use your phone's camera right inside Chrome to identify basically anything around you, from a piece of clothing you like to some vintage toy you find at a flea market.
And that reaction really says it all, right? It captures the wow factor of these new AI tools. They are literally turning your browser into this interactive discovery engine that connects your digital life with your physical world.
But look, this new brain isn't just for convenience. It's also becoming your most powerful guardian when you're online.
The hard truth is, the very same AI tech that's making browsers smarter is also being used by scammers to create incredibly sophisticated attacks. So now, Chrome is basically fighting fire with fire, using its own AI to predict and block these modern threats before they can even get to you.
So what does this number mean? 3 billion? That's how many fewer spammy or malicious website notifications Chrome users on Android now get every single day. And it's all thanks to an AI that just identifies and silences them quietly in the background.
And it's taking on one of the biggest headaches online: compromised passwords. If Chrome sees that one of your passwords was in a data breach, it doesn't just warn you anymore. Nope. It now offers a one-click fix where the AI literally goes to the website, fills out all the forms, and changes the password for you.
Okay, so while Chrome is busy injecting AI into its established browser, a brand new competitor was actually born from AI itself, and it represents a completely different way of thinking about the internet. So meet ChatGPT Atlas. Now, let's be clear, this isn't just Chrome with a new plugin. This is a browser built from the ground up, all around an AI. Every single new tab you open is a full ChatGPT interface, and the URL bar, it's also a prompt field. It completely blurs the line between browsing the web and just having a conversation with an AI. So what does that get you? Well, its big features include a sidebar that can read and summarize any web page you're on instantly. It also has something called browser memory that remembers everything you do to give you better context. And it has a super powerful agent mode, which means the AI can go off and perform complex, multi-step tasks for you all across the web on its own.
So this all sets up a fascinating showdown. I mean, this isn't just about which browser is faster or has more features today. This is about two competing philosophies for how we are all going to interact with the web tomorrow.
All right, let's break it down. Chrome is faster, it's more stable, and it supports this massive ecosystem of extensions we all know. Atlas, well, it's slower, a bit buggier, and has very limited extension support for now. But its AI is much more deeply and natively integrated. The biggest difference, though, really comes down to how they approach your personal data.
And that brings us to the absolute core difference. Chrome uses AI as a helpful assistant to make the traditional way of browsing better and safer. Atlas, on the other hand, treats the AI as the central experience, where the entire web just serves as its personal database.
And that core philosophy? Well, it raises some serious privacy flags. As tech critic Anil Dash points out, features like browser memory, while they seem really powerful, give an AI a continuous, detailed look into your entire online life. And that is a security risk that you really need to think about carefully.
So at the end of the day, this new browser war leaves us with a choice that is about so much more than just features or speed. It's really about philosophy.
This whole competition is pushing the boundaries of what a browser can even be. The choice is no longer just about which one is faster or has a cooler design. It's about how much power, how much agency you really want to give an AI in your digital life. Do you want an assistant or do you want an agent? The answer to that question is going to shape the future of how we all experience the web.